While the existence of Nessie remains elusive, the loch itself is teeming with life, both above and below its surface. Atlantic salmon leap from the water, their powerful bodies battling against the current as they make their way upstream to spawn. Beneath the waves, schools of Arctic char dart through the depths, their movements a mesmerizing ballet of survival. The loch is also home to otters, playful creatures that glide effortlessly through the water. As we cruise along the loch's surface, the rugged beauty of the surrounding landscape unfolds before us. Towering mountains rise majestically from the water's edge, their slopes cloaked in emerald green forests. Ancient ruins stand sentinel along the shores, whispering tales of Scotland's rich history.